Hey guys, welcome again in my new video. And you saw in the thumbnails, today's video is dedicated to unlock any Android smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video properly till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked today after this video end. Okay, if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry. Why the new method what I am going to give in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But firstly, watch this video properly till the end. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometime the method of unlocking don't work. So watch this video properly, because in this video I can show you how can you remove the pin pattern and password lock with fingerprint lock and face lock without any computer, without any software, without any PC, and lastly without any data loss. Yes my friend, without any data loss. So before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. So one of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone will not unlock with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos. And for this you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if your smartphone will be unlocked with the help of this video, then do like the video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next amazing videos to help you further. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cold mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile's pin pattern password by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. And now you have to use the offline mode. In this offline mode, you can close all your background running application. So it is very necessary. So first of all, you have to click on the emergency call option from here. This is the emergency call option, and when your emergency call option comes in your smartphone home screen, I am telling you a code and you have to use that code, and this code is star hash 5320000 star 191 star 333 and hash. This is the background running application closed code, and you have to call this code for 3 times. When you are starting the calling, call failed message has been appeared in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this message to click OK button. You have to repeat this process for 2 times again and 3. Okay, now completing this process, you have to clear this code. The offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode from these shortcuts. Meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have completed a stage here, and now you have to take a new and most another important steps here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode firstly of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use a code to open engineer mode page also, and this code is star hash 899 and hash. And as you will, by clicking on the last hash button, you can take a screenshot here. The engineer mode page will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master unlocking will come in your smartphone mobile screen. Now you have to take some important steps here, as you are looking at the number 5 options here. At the number 5 option here, it is showing you the software version option. Now you have to click this software version option and here you will see many options here like Android version, model, baseband version, kernel, but you have to find Android version here because this is the important option here, and it has to be clicked as many times as it is written here. For that, for example, if you are seeing here Android version 10 here, 12 here, 13 here, 4 here, 14 here, then you have to click it for 10 times, 11 times, 12 times, 13 times and 14 times. For example, this is Android version 12, then I am going to click it for 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you have to repeat the same process as in your smartphone. After that, as soon as this process of your will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on the option given above in it, that is a manual test option on number 4. You have to open this manual test option also. Now some new pages will come in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the sidebar, and you can see that this is the other option page, and now you will see total 5 options here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version or main version for 11 times. So start this process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, fastly you have you has to be complete this process. When you after this, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. You have to click it for 4 times. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click the cancel button here. You can see that. Okay, now you have to repeat the same process for 2 times again, but in the 4th time you have to click the same option, but you have to click OK button. Now you will see here your mobile password has gone to reset mode completely. Now all you have to do is one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked completely today. Now you have to go back to the device debugging page. This is the device debugging page, and here you will see many options here, but you have to find an option which is named sensor self test and calibration. Now you have to open this option, and now you will see many options here like 1 option, 2 option, 3 option, 4 option. Here all the options are in default, not a started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it, and here you will get a message of a test pass message. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you still don't see any test pass message here and the failure message is coming in all options, we'll keep doing this process again and again like that. Click the failed message until your test pass message come. Only minimum single options minimum single test pass message comes in your smartphone. As you see here, by the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your smartphone's pin pattern password lock completely unlocked, and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone at your home. If your if your mobile is still not unlocked in this way, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile's pin pattern and password lock just like me. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.